Hi friends, I am Dr. Sharma, and in this talk I will be discussing the overall consensus regarding the management of urethral trauma. Now this is a very controversial thing because number of guidelines from number of different associations have got a different consensus. What I would be describing here is the consensus based on the EUA, that is the European Urology Association guidelines. Now once urethral trauma is suspected, the first thing that needs to be done is to confirm the diagnosis by doing a retrograde urethrography, that is an RGU. If it shows that it's a normal urethra, then either one may put in a catheter or an SPC if the patient is unable to void, or if you are suspecting that the contusion is such that even though there is no breach in the continuity of the urethral epithelium, it might result in a stricture in the long term. Now, if there is a rupture which is seen on an RGU, it could be a partial or a complete rupture. Now, a partial or complete rupture could be because of a penetrating injury, and then such injuries needs a primary repair with minimum debridement and maintaining the vascularity of the tissues. But if there is a partial or complete rupture because of a blunt injury, then a primary repair is indicated only and only if there is an associated penile fracture, and this tends to occur in about 20% of cases of penile fracture where there is an associated urethral rupture. If there is no associated penile fracture and there is a blunt injury causing a partial or complete rupture, then an SPC, that is a suprapubic cystostomy, should be done. What happens after an SPC? You do an RGU, that is a retrograde urethrogram, after 30 days, and it might give you two findings. Either there might be a stricture or there may be no stricture. Now, if there is no stricture, the patient needs to be kept under follow-up. The clinician should keep in mind that there is a small but distinct possibility that he may develop stricture in the long run, and if he comes with outflow obstructive symptoms, then he needs to be evaluated for a stricture. Now, if there is a stricture which is seen on an RGU which has been done after 30 days and the length of the stricture is less than 1 centimeter, then a VIU, that is an endoscopic optical urethrotomy, is indicated. However, if the stricture is more than 1 centimeter, then a urethroplasty is indicated once the inflammation has subsided, which is usually after a period of 3 months from the time the injury has occurred. Thanks a lot friends. For more such videos, log on to admedonline.com. Thank you.